Hey all you Golden Eagles out there, Alex the marketing guy, and we are starting a new series called Taste of Marquette, where we send the flavors of Marquette back home to you to prepare with your families. We know at a time like this you might be missing some of your favorite foods from campus, so we're pairing up with our chefs while we're working in Covine to make those recipes for you to make at home. So today we're joined by my friend Ontario from the Annex Wow World of Wings. So some of you might be missing that. In Ontario, what are you going to be making for us today?
Today I'm going to be making some fried chicken wings straight from my kitchen to your kitchen.
Alright, so here's what we're going to do. So we're going to provide you with the recipes on the screen as we go along. And what that's going to let you do is make it at home. And what we want is for you to send pictures of those back to us through social media so we can see how you're cooking this at home.
First of all, I like to start off with a little salt. And when you season chicken, you can go a little heavy because this is one of the meats where you can put go a little bit heavier. So I like to use onion powder. Here's my onion powder. Sprinkle some all over. A little black pepper. Sprinkle all over. Give it a nice little coat.
Ontario, you do anything with your chicken before?
You have to rinse it. I'll wash my chicken first. A little garlic powder. And then also, you guys, what I do too for a little extra flavor, I season my egg wash with the same ingredients. With the garlic powder, a little black pepper, a little garlic powder, onion powder, I'm sorry. A little salt. And then you mix your chicken real good, make sure it's coated all over. Can we come? Okay, you guys, you can buy these chicken at any local grocery store. And see, what I do now is I just dip them in my egg wash, get them nicely coated, flip them a little bit, add them to the flour. And when I do the egg wash, you guys, it gives that extra crispy punch to it, that extra crispy taste. This is why I do my little egg wash. And you can have any side with it. You can have tater tots, French fries, mashed potatoes, macaroni and cheese, some string beans. I just make sure it's coated really good, you guys. Nice and coated. This is going to give it that extra crispy taste. Make sure it's nicely coated real good. See that? Perfect. Now put it in the bowl here and change my gloves.
Alright, so we're ready now to drop these into our fryer. And we know that some of you may not have fryers at home, so when we get over there, Ontario can talk about some ways that you can do that at home as well. Also, if you've heard some music in the background, it's also very important. The number one ingredient in cooking is make sure you have some good tunes to listen to in the background. So, Ontario, let's go take these over to the fryer.
And guys, I know you guys don't have the kind of fryer that we have, but you can also use a skillet. You just throw like half in with the oil so you can get that deep fried taste to it. Now just drop them right down in the basket. Separate them a little bit so they won't stick together. Nice.
And some other techniques too, if you actually lay the chicken in once your fryer is going, that'll help it from sticking to the bottom of the fryer basket.
And then when you put it in with the basket, you just shake the basket, and then that way it won't stick in. There you have it.
So we'll come back and How long are we gonna let these cook, Ontario?
We let these cook for like 10 to 12 minutes. You do test it with a thermometer to make sure they up to the temp to 180. But also, guys, I'm gonna tell you a little trick too. Chicken, you can tell when it's done when they float to the top of the basket and they stop frying as loud. 9 times out of 10, you can tell from them, and I bet you they'll be ready.
Perfect. And then your fryer oil generally needs to be around 350, 370 to 375 for the optimal cooking temperature of chicken in oil. So we're gonna let those go a few minutes and we'll check back on those and have a look at them. And just so you know, we are making these for the students tonight at Covine. So the students that are still here on campus, these are meals that we're going to actually prepare for them. So what we're doing here, we're sending home to you so you can make it with your family and your students back at home. See you in a minute. All right, guys, so welcome back, Ontario. How long have we waited here?
12 minutes.
12 minutes.
About 12 minutes, and see, as you guys see, they're floating now. What I do is I pull them up, tip them in the middle of the meat. And there you have it.
Perfect. So make sure you let that grease kind of drain off. You might even want to put it on.
When I drain the grease off, I usually put like some towel in there just so the stuff can grease up so it won't be all greasy on your plate. And here you have them, guys.
Cool. Let's go take these over and put them on a plate. Ontario, I'll put them over there.
And like I said, you can make anything for a side with this. You can do French fries, mashed potatoes. There you have fried chicken from home.
You get yourself some good hot sauce or any kind of dipping
Barbecue
sauce.
sauce, ranch.
Ranch and hot sauce. Ranch and sriracha. That's a little secret.
There you go.
So these are the flavors of Marquette. Sending them home for you so you can have your very own taste of Marquette. We'll see you all next time on our next episode.
Bye, you guys. Try this.